Are you running Google Ads but not getting results of your expectation? Some most important things you need to focus on. Keyword research. Keyword is the foundation of Google Ads. So you target keywords as your business goals. It helps to understand the people who are actually searching for your product or service. Conversion tracking. Conversion tracking is the most important elements of successful Google Ads campaign. If you don't set up in conversion tracking, you will only see how much money you spending your ads, but not you understand how much money earning from this. And you can't identify the keywords is performing better, and how many leads, phone calls or form submission from your campaign. To achieve the best result, your landing page should have clear headlines, compelling ad copy, strong call to action, mobile friendly design and loading speeds. Regular optimization. Google Ad is not run and forget it. It is need regular optimization for better results. Remember, to be successful with Google Ads, it's not run ads. The right keywords, tracking and regular optimization is the most important.